This outdoor paradise spans over 48 acres of pristine timberland, featuring a custom two-bedroom home with an office room. The home boasts a primary suite with a luxury soaking tub, built-in TV area, and stunning views of the surrounding woods. Additional features include enclosed workshop, fenced-in garden area, and space for animals or hobby farming. This property offers the ultimate escape from the outdoor enthusiasts, with no zoning restrictions and endless possibilities for customization and adventure. This property offers endless possibilities. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.